Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to make a woman in Infinity Craft. So first is you have to add the dash right here, and then we are going to add Earth so we can create a planet. So after that, the next thing that we should do is to add a wind and then put it right here. And then you have to add a fire above the wind to create a smoke. Now, what you're going to do next is to add the water above the smoke so we can create a fog. And then we are going to add fog above the planet so we can create Venus. And then we just set aside the Venus. Then the next thing that we should add right here is water, and then just add fire above the water to create a steam. Okay, so after that, just have to add earth above the steam to create mud. And then now that we already have the Venus earlier, we just have to add Venus above the mud so we can create Adam. Now the next thing that you should do is to add earth right here above the Adam to create a man. And then now that we have the man, we just have to add the Venus right here. And above the Venus is we just have to add a fog to create love. And then we are going to put the love above the man. And as you can see, we have successfully created a woman. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.